welcome back to another Temu product review. Now, I'm going to play a game with you guys. I think I'm going to start playing this game when we do Temu products. How much do you think we paid for this? Cute little chickie, little bird. Now you might be wondering, what is it? Let's go ahead and pull this off. Now as you can see, it's a little night light. It's got an on and off switch underneath it. Let's turn out some lights. It is very bright, as you can see. Now, on the camera it looks a little washed out. Let me adjust the lighting here. There you go. Now you can see what I see. It is very cute. It's my personal opinion. In person, I think it looks better than on camera. In camera, like right there, looks really washed out. It's actually not that washed out in person. So what do you think? What do you think this little chickie would cost? Well, my friends, this was $1.60. Would you pay $1.60 for this? For a nice little nightlight? Or is that a fail? I think it's really cute. But everybody will come up with their own opinion. What's your opinion, my friends?